Potato smash waffles, plus unboxing. The package has additional to attachments design. I got the waffle one. The quality seems sturdy and clean. I also got the sandwich one. Inside the package, there's the manual and some more protective casings. The main machine looks neat and simple. Only has the timer for control and an opening that locks. It has the griddle attachment. You can replace the attachment easily. I replaced it with the waffle attachment. Meanwhile, I'm gonna boil to medium potatoes for 30 minutes. I'm testing the breakfast press for the first time. Once boiled, set aside. I'll make a very simple snack from potatoes. Now back to the press. I brushed the surface with oil for more crispy exterior. I preheated the press for 2 minutes. After preheating, place the potatoes in the middle. I brushed top lightly with oil. Added some spices, basil and paprika. Press gently. Set the timer around 4 to 5 minutes. Once opened, you may add salt or add more spices. Sear for another minute or 2. Ready to serve. To make it more fun, top with cheese dipping sauce. Enjoy.